Right, so in today's video I thought I'd share with you 5 positive things that I've found with the Nano since owning it, and at the time of making this video I've owned it approximately 2 weeks. So now this is going to be the first one on the list, and it's lens compatibility. So I'll just show you now that we can take the X5 lens off and attach that to the Nanos and vice versa. So you just screw the lens off on the Action 5 Pro, and then we're going to do the same to the Nano. I'll just take it out of its case here. And now straight away when you've took the lenses off there, they don't look like they're going to fit each other, because on the front one's way bigger than the other, but if you spin them round you'll see that the cross threads are identical. So we've got the Action 5 Pro's lens there and the Nanos there. We'll swap these over and attach them on each one. So first of all we'll put the Nanos lens on the Action 5 Pro. And that fits just like its original one, but as you can see it's way smaller. So now it's made your Action 5 Pro into a little mod lens. And then it's going to be the same principle for the Nano. We'll just screw the Action 5 Pro's one straight on there. And as you can see it's made that Nano look a lot larger, and once again that looks like a mod lens too. So now you can see the Action 5 Pro's got the Nano's lens and the Nano's got the Action 5 Pro's. And then as an added bonus, if you own any ND filters for your Action 3, 4 or 5 Pro, well they're just going to slip straight onto your Nano now. And then the second thing is mount compatibility. Once again, these magnetic clips from DJI are going to fit the 3, 4 and 5 Pro as well as the Nano. And then just in case you're wondering, that same magnetic mount is going to connect to the bottom of the vision dock when the Nano's on top as well. So as you can see there, it connects to the bottom of the vision dock. That'll snap on top of there. And you can also then detach it from there and attach it to the Nano as we've just seen. And then just as easy as they snap on, just 2 toggles at the side to pull them off. So that means with the magnetic mounts there, you're going to be able to attach it to anything from a chest harness, any kind of suction mount, and any other accessory you've got for your action cameras. As you can see, that Nano is going to fit in any position there. So that's great from DJI that they've kept the same magnetic mounts across all their cameras there, and I'm really hoping all the compatibility is the same when they release the Action 6. And now the third one on the list is the battery performance. Now as I said at the beginning of the video, I've owned the Nano for around 2 weeks now, and I've been doing lots of tests with this, and DJI claim that you can get 90 minutes use out of the Nano, and then when it's connected to the vision dock you'll get 200 minutes, but that's filming in HD. Now HD is usable, but the majority of people today are filming in 4K like myself, so the majority of my stuff's filmed in 4K 30. So with the Nano being 500 milliamps and the vision dock being 1300 milliamps, when you're filming with the Nano alone like you're seeing right now, you'll get in 4K anywhere between 45 minutes and 60 minutes. And then I've found in real world testing, when it's connected to the vision dock, you'll get just a little under 2 hours use there. But what I don't like about it is when it's connected to the vision dock, as you'll see right now, it's always wanting to charge the Nano via the vision dock. And that's when it's switched on or off. So if you just put this in your bag like that, you can guarantee that this is always going to be 100%. Now that's great when you're out filming for the day. But let's just say you've finished filming for the day, you want to put this away, you're not going to use it for a week or two. This is going to be on 100% charge, while this is going to be probably depleted, and that's not great going forward for longevity, as you're going to be storing this in a depleted state and storing this at 100%. So what would be great, if possible by DJI there, is if somehow in the settings we can stop that charge going straight in there. As you can see it's switched off now, but it's charging still. So it'd be great to have some setting to stop that charging, or put charge from the Nano back in the vision dock. So the fourth one on the list, I'm really blown away how lightweight, tiny and portable this is. Like I say, I've had it for just over 2 weeks, and I've had it in some interesting places, especially when you disconnect it from that vision dock. It just becomes even smaller. And I will admit I've dropped it twice, so now I always use the case which it came with So if I drop it in the future, it's not going to be as bad. And be honest, how many times have you dropped your Nano? So the only time I'll take it out of the case is when I'm doing a video at the table like this. Then I'll never drop it. Whoop! And then the fifth and final one on the list is I'm blown away how easy it is to connect the DJI wireless mics to this. And I'm just going to show you how to connect the wireless mic too. Right, so to connect the DJI wireless mic 2 to the Nano, and this is going to be the same principle no matter what DJI mic you've got, you'll just swipe down from the top and there you'll see a mic icon. And once you hit that, just turn on your wireless mic. And then what you need to do is choose one of the TX tabs, so we'll just go with the TX1. And then we need to hit the pair button on the mic. So that's the little chain link icon there. We'll just press and hold that. And then it'll start rapidly blinking, as you can see. So straight away we've got a solid blue light, and now you can see that it's paired with the Nano. So we'll just tap confirm. And now you'll see when I'm talking we've got that green bar bouncing up and down to show you that it's successfully paired up. And then when you back out of the menu, you'll see at the top there, again that bar's bouncing up and down, so you know it's successfully paired. So that's 5 things that I've found out with the Nano since release date. And I think it's great that we've got that lens capability, that mount swapping capability. It's got great battery life. It's lightweight, tiny and portable. And then the last one there, how easy the mics connect. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon, especially with testing out this newly released Nano and all its accessories. And if there's any more updates which come along, I'll be getting straight onto that, updating it, and then doing a quick demonstration of the new features. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.